Surprising airplane facts, things you won't believe happen in the sky. 1. Oxygen masks last only about 15 minutes, enough time for pilots to descend to a safer altitude. 2. Tiny holes in airplane windows prevent pressure buildup and keep the panes from fogging. 3. Lights are dimmed during takeoff and landing to help passengers' eyes adjust in emergencies. 4. Tray tables must be up during critical phases to avoid blocking evacuation routes. 5. Ashtrays remain on planes, despite smoking bans, for safe disposal of contraband cigarettes. 6. Pilots sometimes nap, 43% admit to dozing mid-flight, usually with 2 pilots present. 7. Crew may not always know about turbulence and sometimes learn from passengers. 8. Flight attendants aren't paid until doors close, their pay starts after boarding. 9. You can't get stuck on an airplane toilet, the flush is loud, but the vacuum suction won't trap you. 10. Planes are struck by lightning about once a year, but it rarely causes damage. 11. The safest seats are near the wings or toward the rear, statistically. 12. Airplane food tastes bland at altitude because taste buds dull by about 30%. 13. The first commercial flight in 1914 lasted 23 minutes with just 1 passenger. 14. The world's shortest flight, in Scotland, takes just 90 seconds between islands. 15. A Boeing 747's wingspan is longer than the Wright brothers' first flight distance. 16. White planes stay cooler because they reflect sunlight, cutting heat and fuel costs. 17. Planes can glide long distances even if engines fail. 18. The brace position reduces spinal injury risk during crashes. 19. Planes dump fuel during emergencies, but it evaporates before hitting the ground. 20. The black box is actually orange to make it easier to find after crashes. 21. Pilots and co-pilots must eat different meals to avoid simultaneous food poisoning. 22. The world's largest passenger plane, the A380, has 22 wheels to support its weight. 23. Some planes have secret bedrooms for crew to rest on long-haul flights. 24. The fastest commercial plane, Concorde, flew at Mach 2.04, about 1,354 miles per hour. 25. Planes fly slower today to save fuel. Modern jets are slower than 1960s models. 26. The Mile High Club is technically illegal. Interfering with crew is a federal offense. 27. You lose about 8% of your body's water on a 3-hour flight due to dry cabin air. 28. The Boeing 787 Dreamliner's windows are 65% larger and dim electronically, no shades needed. 29. Airlines sometimes remove seats to reduce weight and save millions in fuel costs. 30. The fasten seatbelt sign is often on unnecessarily. Pilots use it to keep passengers seated. 31. Planes can fly with 1 engine, even a 747 can stay airborne for hours. 32. The longest non-stop flight is over 18 hours, Singapore to New York. 33. Some airports use pigs to scare birds.